91967 to make an appointment online. Again, that's service to 91967. Otherwise, one of our representatives will be with you momentarily.
Hi, and thank you for calling Dick Hanna Dealer.
Hi, thank you for calling Dick Hanna Kia Service. This is Serena. How can I help you?
Hi, Serene. I called a left message before about my Kia, the white Sportage one, and Devin, left a message say I can come and pick it up, right? So can I talk to Devin about the situation of the engine, please?
Yeah, let me see if I can get him on the line. Hang on just a moment, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, and thank you for calling Dick Hanna Dealerships. Here at Dick Hanna Dealerships, we believe in nice. And that means we understand that purchasing a car is kind of a big deal because the car you drive is a big part of your life. So when we say we're here to help and listen to your wants and needs, we mean it. At Dick Hanna Dealerships, we have thousands of cars, trucks, and SUVs for you to choose from. So when you visit one of our dealerships, it's not just about finding a car. It's about helping you find your car. That's the difference nice makes. Dick Hanna Dealerships. Believe in nice. And thanks for holding on. One of our team members will be with you shortly. Thank you for calling Dick Hanna Dealerships. A representative will be with you shortly. Thank you for calling Dick Hanna Dealerships. A representative will be with you shortly. Thank you for calling Dick Hanna Dealerships.
Thank you so much for holding, and I do apologize. It doesn't look like Devin is currently at his desk to take the call, but I can get another message sent over to him and have him reach back out to you as soon as he is back.
Yeah. Is there any other person I can speak to about my car? Because he left a message say before 6 I can pick it up. But I wonder if the engine is fixed within 12 hours of oil leakage, and so kind of wondering the situation of my car now. Yeah.
So I do have other service advisors in today. They just have guests in front of them right at the moment, but I can definitely get a message over to all of them and have one of them reach back out to you as soon as they can.
Oh, that would be good. Thank you, then. I'm waiting for your call.
Is it okay?
Then. Yeah, I just wait for your
call.
call.
They call the 971-293-9893 number?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, I'll shoot that over right now.
All right. Thank you.
Of course. I hope you have a great night.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.